How to troubleshoot a wireless printer connection. Troubleshoot a wireless connection if your computer is unable to detect your HP printer over Wi-Fi connection or a printer offline message displays when trying to print. Note: HP Print and Scan Doctor is not supported on Mac OS. However, troubleshooting can be performed through the HP Smart app by selecting the Diagnose and Fix option. If you have a Windows device, begin by downloading HP Print and Scan Doctor. After clicking on the Download option, a pop-up appears asking if your printer is displaying an offline status. There are two versions of HP Print and Scan Doctor available, depending on your specific issue. Select Yes if your printer is displaying an offline status to download the printer offline version. Select No if your printer is not displaying an offline status to download the regular version. From the download location on your computer, run hppsdr.exe. Once HP Print and Scan Doctor opens, click Start and then select your printer. If your printer does not display in the list presented, turn it off and then on again. Click My Product is not listed and then click Retry. If there is a connection problem, follow the instructions in HP Print and Scan Doctor. If a screen prompts you to turn on printer updates, click Yes. If a screen prompts you to make your printer the default printer, click Yes to agree. Try to print. If the printer remains offline, continue to the next step. Restart your devices. Turn off the printer, wait 10 seconds, and then disconnect the printer power cord. Turn off the computer or device you're trying to print from. On your wireless router, disconnect the power cord, wait 10 seconds, and then reconnect it. Reconnect the printer power cord and then turn on the printer. Turn on the computer and then connect the printer to your wireless network. For printers with a touchscreen control panel, go to the Wireless or Networking menu, the Setup menus, and then touch Restore Network Defaults or Restore Network Settings. If prompted, confirm resetting the printer. With the default network settings restored, go to the Wireless Setup wizard. Touch the name of your wireless network, enter the network password, and then touch Done. For printers with buttons only, connect using the WPS button on your router. Locate the WPS button on your router. On your printer, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons until the power light blinks. Release the buttons and then wait until the wireless light blinks. On the router, press and hold the WPS button for 5 seconds, and the WPS connection process starts. Print a network configuration page to confirm the network status. For printers with a touchscreen or text display, print the page from the Wireless, Network Settings, or Setup menu. For printers with buttons only, press the Wireless and Information buttons at the same time, or press the Wireless and Start Copy Black buttons at the same time. Under General Information, a network status of Ready means you're connected. If the status is something different, use the information provided on the configuration page to assist you in resolving the issue. If the issue persists, go to https://support.hp.com/us-en/help/diagnostics for additional troubleshooting options. Click the Playlists tab to find your language. Find official HP support videos.